Jenny Fun, please step right back on the stage.
I'm sorry, my voice is not loud enough.
And you can just stay right up here for pictures with the group later. All right, are you guys ready for second place? Let's make some noise for it. Drum roll. And our second place for Singing for Charity 2015. Jimmy and Chang. The total that Jimmy and Chang raised for charity tonight was $72.80. Let's give them a big round of applause. And for Jenny Fo, it was $59. And now for the final grand champion of tonight.
All right. The moment you've all been waiting for. First place winner is, can I get a drum roll? The first place winner is
Sean Yang! Let's give it up for Sean Yang! And tonight, Sean Yang raised a total of $93.47 for charity tonight. Let's get a picture of the whole board up here, and then we can call it a night. Do you guys know the grand total for tonight? Okay, we'll have the grand total later.
Alright, so before you guys go, it's always customary for us to give thanks to the people that help out to make this event possible. First off, I'd like to thank my board here. We put together a month's work just to get all this together. Padag, my secretary, my Joel, the MC, okay. Titles for tonight, actually. Okay, so Padag is the master mixer, controlling the music over here. My Joel is the master of ceremonies, our MC. Mary May, our donation specialist in the back, controlling the money back there. Then we have Jennifer, performance manager. And then also like to thank the judges for taking their time to judge for our performance. It's all voluntary, it's all charity work. Thank you guys so much for taking that time to be our judges for the night for the event. Also, we got Binko up here, our projection specialist, master of projection. He's been sitting up there for the entire time. I trust this guy more than anything in the world. So he's up here. He's managing all of that. And then I'd like to thank the pageant court for being here and helping usher for the event as well. And then also like to thank the performers, the contestants. You guys really made a big impact on the event, and I'd like to thank you guys for that time and the effort that you guys put in to come out here specifically for this night. Thank you guys so much for that. Yes, and our other MC, our Masters of Ceremony, Wally over here, and Amy, where's Amy? Amy showed up, she's volunteered her time, she said, hey, what you guys need help what you guys need help with? Can I help you guys with stage crew? And she just picked that up. Thank you so much, Amy. As always, you were there before at our previous event, did the same thing. Thank you so much for that. So, Tracy. Also, Tracy, where's Tracy? Where did she go? Tracy was our other stage crew. Thank you so much for helping us. And also Ben and Junior for our ticket masters over here. Entertaining you guys throughout the night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed their performance. Majori, where's our photographer? Majori right here, she's in the front. And Wendy, thank you guys both for taking pictures for the event. We hope to see them soon. And also I'd like to thank Za Photography. She's going to do a free photo shoot for the first place winner. So thanks Za Photography, she's doing that for free as well. So it's all for charity. And oh yeah, Lau. Lau is he did something. Just kidding. He's also the donation specialist. He's back there counting all the money donations to determine the winner. And then also ASU for donating those t-shirts. Also HSA for the t-shirts and helping support this event. And last but not least, I'd like to give thanks to you guys, the audience. You know, without you guys, it would have not been the same. And to those of you who did not win, or just for the audience, I hope that you guys, it may not be a title that you guys have won. It may not have been a money or some kind of prize that you guys have won. But hopefully you guys take something away from this. And I just want to refer back to a quote that I said earlier before. And it was, you have never truly lived unless you have done something for someone and they can never repay you. And tonight you guys have done that for me, you guys have done that for us. We cannot repay you guys. Our gratitude knows no boundaries. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for being here and supporting our event. Hopefully we see you guys at our future events. We have our I Am Home coming up with Cody Lee next Saturday. So if you guys liked our event, come to our next event. It's free admission as well. So with that, thank you guys.